Hello everyone. I have already posted worksheet number 1 and worksheet number 2 of chapter number 12 construction of quadrilaterals of DAV. Now today we are going to do very important worksheet number 3. This worksheet consists of type 3 construction that when two adjacent sides and three angles are given. So you can see here we need to construct ABCD quadrilateral in which AB is 3.5 centimeter, BC is 6.5 centimeter, angle A 60 degree, angle C 120 degree, angle C 75 degree. Now if we take base AB, we require angle A and angle B. Here angle A is there but B is missing. If we take BC as base, then also we require angle B and angle C. Angle C is there but angle B is missing. So how can we find angle B when three angles are given? Yes, we need to apply angle sum property of quadrilateral. That is the main step of this question. So what we will write first, by angle sum property in quadrilateral ABCD. Without doing this step, construction is not possible. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D, it is equal to 360 degree. So angle A here 60, angle B is missing, angle C 120 degree, angle D is 75 degree, and it is equal to 360 degree. So 60 plus 120 is 180 and 180 plus 75 is 255 degree plus angle B, and it is equal to 360 degree. So we will find from here angle B 360 degree minus 255 degree. If you subtract these, you will get 105 degree. Now the construction is easy. As I have already guided you, preferably if possible, do make the rough sketch. And it is not necessary that you make the rough sketch with scale only. You may take, you may not take. So here I am making the rough sketch. Suppose I take here AB as the base. Here I am making rough sketch. Here AB I take 3.5 centimeter as base. This is rough sketch merely. This is 3.5 centimeter. Angle A we need to construct 60 degree. So 60 degree, later when we will construct, we will take compass for that. It will come like this. Angle A 60 degree and angle B is 105 degree. It will come outwards. ऐसे करके आएगा 105. Now after taking 105, you have BC. How much is BC? 6.5. So you will cut an arc of 6.5 centimeter here, and at point C you need to make 120 degree. So how 120 degree will come? Towards outside. And what will happen? They both will meet at point D. This is D point. This will be 120 degree, and D angle will automatically come out to be 75 degree. So this I have made a rough sketch. In rough sketch also, do not forget to mention the labelings. BC is 6.5 centimeter. So let's draw now. So first step, AB 3.5 centimeter. ये आपने थोड़ा सा नीचे करके लेना है because construction will come up. This is 3.5 centimeter and I have named it as AB, and labeling also is being done by me. 3.5 centimeter. Some angles are to be constructed with compass, right? 60 degree. How we will make 60 degree? You have already made in your previous classes. Compass tip on A, and with not too less, not too more opening, you need to draw an arc. So when you have drawn an arc, keep the compass tip here and draw one arc. This is of 60 degree. You have already made 60 degree in junior classes, so there should not be any problem for drawing 60 degree. This is 60 degree and I have labeled it. Angle B is 105 degree. For 105 degree, I have not disturbed compass. It is same as I have opened earlier. This is an arc. For 105, your first step is to make 90 degree. Compass tip here, 60 degree arc. Then on 60, next arc is of 120. Compass tip once on 60, arc. Compass tip on 120, another arc. And both the arcs are intersecting at some point, then you need to draw it dotted, as you do not actually require 90, but 90 you are drawing just to draw 105 degree. Now once keep the compass tip on 90 degree and draw the another arc this, and then on 120 this. Once again I tell, 105 is the bisection of 90 and 120. 105 is the bisection of 90 and 120. Now I am extending this also. This is 105 degree. I have labeled it. Now as you can observe from rough sketch, you are to mark 6.5 centimeter. So this I have kept compass here and I am opening 6.5. After opening 6.5 centimeter, keep the compass tip on B and cut an arc here. This point will be called C point, right? And this BC is how much? 6.5 centimeter. I need to extend this line ahead. At point C, which angle is to be made? 120 degree. And 120 degree can be made with compass. This is arc, compass tip here, and this I have drawn an arc, this. From here, this is 60 degree arc and this is 120 degree arc. अब आप एक बार 60 पर रखकर ऐसे लगाओगे and then keeping the compass tip on 120 degree arc this way. So 60 and 120 ka you need to draw 120, not 90. So you can see once again here I am drawing 120. This way I have taken an arc this way. Then keep the compass tip here. This is 60 degree and on 60 this is 120 degree. So we require 120. So draw this way simply like this. So this point is D point. You may draw this way arrow on both sides. So actual A, B, C, D you have got. This angle is 120 degree. Angle D is automatically, I told it will be 75 degree as given. You can measure it with protractor, it will be 75. Now if you wish, you may erase these. If you do not wish, let it be like this only. Originally it is being reflected that you have drawn without any sort of mistake. So this way construction is completed. Now we need to write its result. Result is again same. ABCD is the required quadrilateral. ABCD is the required quadrilateral. So here we have drawn 160 degree, that you know very well. For 105 I am writing for you that which angles we have bisected. We have bisected 90 and 120 degree. You must remember this. And for 120 so it is easy. This is 60 degree arc, this is 120, that can be drawn very easily. I hope you have understood this question. I once again repeat, this is the main step of the question. Without doing this step, you cannot proceed with the construction part. So this was question number 1. Now I am going to do question number 2. It is also of the similar type. So see here, question number 2 I have already written. ABCD is to be constructed. AB is 4, BC 7, angle A and angle C both are of same measure 105 degree, angle D is 60 degree. If you take base AB, you require angle A and angle B. Angle A is there but B is missing. If you draw BC, then angle B and angle C are needed. C is there but B is again missing. So you need to apply again angle sum property by angle sum property in quadrilateral ABCD. As you have applied in the previous question, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D, it is equal to 360 degree. So angle A is 105, B is not there, C is 105 degree and D is 60 degree. It is equal to 360 degree. 105 plus 105, 210, 210 plus 60 is 270. So 270 degree plus angle B, it is equal to 360 degree. So angle B will come out to be 360 degree minus 270 degree, that is equal to 90 degree. So the major step we have done. Now we need to draw the rough sketch. So I would like to draw here BC. BC, or you may draw AB also, one and the same thing. Suppose AB I will draw in place of BC. So AB is 4 centimeter and angle A is 105 degree. It will come this way outwards 105, and angle B is 90 degree. It will come like this, straight 90 degree. Now BC is given to you 7 centimeter. It may go up, यहाँ पर आएगा 7 centimeter C, and then further on point C, which angle is to be drawn? 105 degree. It will come like this. On point C, this 105 degree, and this will be point D. So BC was how much? 7 centimeter. So this is just a rough sketch, and later when construction will be completed, angle D will automatically be 60 degree. So let's construct it. It is a rough sketch. Now I am taking AB first. AB is how much? 4 centimeter. So this way 0 and this is 4 centimeter. On point A, which angle? 105 degree. So already guided, for 105 you require 90 degree first. So make 90 degree on point A. Arc is being taken by me. This is 60 degree. This is 120. Once on 60, then on 120. So extend it but dot it, because actual 90 degree is not my requirement. 90 degree is made just to make 105. Already guided in previous question. 105 is the bisection of 90 and 120. One time arc on 90 this way, and then second time on 120. So extend this line. This is 105 degree angle, right? Now on point B, 90 degrees to be made. So I did not disturb the compass as I have kept earlier. This way an arc, from here 60 and from here 120. Once from 60 and then from 120. So 90 degree I am drawing again dotted. Then we need to make angle B 90. So 90 is actually required. So not dotted, you may take it solid line, because 90-degree angle is only needed. Here 90. Now how much is BC? 7 centimeter. So open the compass equal to 7 centimeter by keeping on the scale 7. Keep the compass tip on B point. Draw an arc here. This point will be named as C point and this BC is 7 centimeter. At point C, you need to make 105 degree. So keep the compass tip on C and open as per your choice. This way you will take, right? Here keep once 60. Here keep once 120. Once on 60 and then on 120. 60 और 120 को बाइसेक्ट करेंगे तो बना 90 डिग्री ऐसे डॉटेड. नाउ वी नीड हियर 105 डिग्री एज एंगल सी. तो एक बार आप 90 पर रखो और दूसरी बार आप रखो 120 पे. Now what students do, they keep here and they make 105 inside. 105 जब राइट साइड में बनना है तो बाहर की तरफ आएगा. ओके, सो इट शुड बी टेकन केयर while मेकिंग, अदरवाइज इट विल गो रॉन्ग. अब आपने क्या करना है, इसको यहां पे एक्सटेंड करना है दिस वे. So this point will come ultimately point D. If you want, you may draw an arrow in place of erasing it. This angle, how much? It was 105 degree. And if you measure with protractor, angle D will automatically come as 60 degree. If you wish, you may write it 60 degree. Right? So I have done all the labelings of this question. Now I am writing result. In a result, ABCD is the required quadrilateral. ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Hope second question is also understood. Here again that thing I have done 105 degree and as told that it is bisection of 90 and 120. This you should not write in the exam. This is just for your knowledge. And 90 degree is always the bisection of 60 degree and 120 degree. You must remember these. I hope the constructions of first and second part of question number 1 are clear to you. Now in my next videos, I will post another constructions. Thank you. If you have understood the question thoroughly, like the video, and if you understood very clearly, do comment and further share the link with your friends so that they can also subscribe the channel and get benefited with all easiest knowledge of mathematics. Thank you.